Namaste friends, welcome back to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a very lacy stitch called Acrobatic, and this is worked with groups of 5DC shells and 3DC 3 chain 3DC V stitches, and this is worked over multiple of 6 plus 3 chains. Again I shall make the required number of chains with this Aran light gray yarn with color code 2023, and it's an acrylic, premium acrylic anti-pill yarn. And I shall be using as usual my clover hooks 5.5 mm and 5 mm, 5.5 mm for making the foundation chains. I shall be back with the required number of foundation chains. I have made 3 repeats of 6 plus 3, 21 chains. Make 2 double crochets in the third chain from the hook. Chain 4. Skip 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and make 5 double crochets all in the same chain. Chain 4. Skip 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 DCs. This is a repeat for row 1. I have finished with 3 DCs in the very last chain. Now for row 2, either chain 2, which counts as DC and turn, or make a DC on top of the very first DC. Skip the next 2 DCs. Of course, you are not working any more stitches in the very first DCs. Here under chain 3, place 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Now skip the next 5 DCs. Under the next chain 3 space again make 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. This is the pattern repeat. Sorry, stitch repeat for this row. Pattern consists of several rows or single row repeat. Skip the next 5 DCs. Under every chain 4 space you are making 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochet, shell. Do not worry, this stitch while working it will appear as though it's wobbling or curling or going out of shape, but once you complete the required number of repeats for the desired length, it gets set. And then place 1 DC in the very last turning chain here. This completes our row 2. For row 3, chain 6 and turn, or you need to make a double treble on the very first thing. So I'm going to chain 6 and turn. This counts as 1 double treble and 1 chain. Next place 5 DCs under the chain 3 space. chain 4, again 5 DCs under chain 3 arc, chain 4, 5 DCs under chain 3 arc. I shall meet you at the end. This is the stitch repeat for row 3. We have placed 5 DCs in the last chain 3 arc, chain 1 and double treble in the very last stitch here. For row 4, chain 5 and turn, counts as 1 treble and 1 chain. 3 DCs under chain 1 space. Sorry, it's going inside. Skip next 5 DCs, make 3 DC, chain 3, 3 DCs under the chain 4 space. So make 3 DC, chain 3, 3 DCs under every chain 4 space and come to the end. I shall also meet you at the end here. And we have come to the end of the row here. Work 3 DCs under the space. Chain 1 and place a treble on the turning chain. So row 5, chain 3 and turn. It counts as a DC, otherwise turn and make a twisted standing double crochet in the very first stitch here. Place 2 double crochets under chain 1 space. Then chain 4, 5 DCs under chain 4 space, chain 4, 5 DCs under chain 4 space. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. I'll chain 4 and do 1 and show you. And 5 DCs here. Chain 4 again. This stitch works great with medium weight and lightweight yarns. It gives a nice lacy product. Chain 4. And place 3 DCs in the very last stitch here, the turning chain. So this completes our one set of pattern repeat. Pattern repeats are the stitches made in row 2 to row 5. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Please subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon. And do like and share. This is how the pattern grows when you make multiple repeats. Thank you friends once again. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.